Hi guys, welcome to Makeup Cafe. So today I have this beautiful ethnic makeup which will go with all your Indian ethnic attires. This is so simple and yet impactful. So let's just jump into the tutorial now, and I started with filling in my brows. So this is how they look. I just did it behind the cam, and I used this Benefits Browsings palette to define my eyebrows, after which I am applying a foundation. And today I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 128. And I don't know why, but I've never liked the smell of this foundation. That's why I don't use it quite often. It has that chemically smell that I don't like to have in my products. So anyways, I just applied it and blended it because despite of the smell, this does gives a nice sheer coverage on the skin. So now let's just use a concealer to hide those dark circles, and I also applied it on my eyelids as an eyeshadow base. And here I'm using a more tapered brush. This one is by Real Techniques. It is their setting brush. So after the eyes are done, we need to settle it, and as I do not have any setting powder right now, so I use an eyeshadow close to my skin tone from my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. So I basically used it as a pressed powder or a compact. You can also follow the same trick if you do not have a setting powder. And then after that, I'm using this Hoola bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics. I'm just using it to warm up my face, and this is also sculpt your face. So I've used it on the cheeks, the jawline, the forehead, and the nose. And then after that, to get a hint of color, I'm using this peach blusher, and I'll mention all the products that I'm using in the description box below. So after the face is done, let's just move on to the eyes, and I'm starting with this K Beauty eyeshadow stick. This one is in the shade Splendid, I think. And then I'm just using an eyeshadow brush to blend the edges of the eyeshadow. So let's just repeat the same on the other eye as well. So it's simple, to the point. And then let's just use the same eyeshadow stick on the bottom lash line as well, and similarly just blend it the way we did on the top of the eyelid. So the next step is using a kohl pencil. This one is by Makeup Forever. You can use any kohl pencil or even a gel liner if you do not have a kohl pencil. So I'm just using it to messily apply an eyeliner, and then I used a flat brush to blend this pencil because we just need to smudge it. So you can use any smudger brush. So while applying it on the eyelid, I also tight lined my upper lash line and apply some more on the top of the lash line, and then just blended it again. So you see the ombre effect and a little smoky effect that this has given us. So after that, you also need to put a kajal with this look because it just all complements a lot if you're wearing any ethnic outfit. It just looks very beautiful because Indian women are usually used to of putting kajal or kohl into their eyes. So the next thing that we are going to do is the highlighting, and I'm using this jelly highlighter by Sugar Cosmetics, just applying it on the high points of my face, and then I just blended it. So the last thing is the lipstick, and here I'm using quite dark color. This one is a brown tone, and this is the Spice Girl by Huda Beauty. You can choose your own lipstick, but this color will usually go with all of your outfit colors. So the next thing that I forgot was the mascara. So I'm just using a Clinique High Impact Mascara. It just brings a lot of change in the eyes and in the entire face. And at the end, one thing was still left, which was you can always put a small bindi, a small black bindi. It just looks very beautiful and accentuates your entire look of the ethnic attire. So that's how we have completed this eye makeup. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed it. So do not forget to subscribe and like. Bye bye.